Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will do demonstration about BitTaqwa app starting from first. This demonstration will contain 5 parts. So the first part I will explain about the dashboard. So this is the main dashboard. There is like a welcome screen. Assalamualaikum, welcome to BitTaqwa with a lovely background. And then there is place for scrolling some features of BitTaqwa, like there's dua, zakat, salat schedule, and then lecture videos. And down there is inspiration. So there's another scroll view. You can go down, and then yeah, this is inspiration part. There's about tahajud. We have to be patient inside musibah. Some rewards that will not be cut if we die, and a little bit of comic for making the app not that boring. Hura hura, ajib ajib aja, party, and then after that, la ilaha illallah, nauzubillah, yeah, like that. And then there are some advice about adab on using slipper, maybe about a hadith like every Adam child are sinners, blah blah blah. The best sinners are those who are repent, and some king's word like don't let your Quran dirty, maybe like that. Yes, so this is the inspiration part. And if you wanted to ask where I get it, I get this picture from Sketsa Dakwah. It's a good account in Instagram for looking some what designs, Islamic design. It's motivating and beneficial. You should try to check it out. Okay, so this is the first layout. What about the coding? So this is the code. There are codes of the layout in XML and then the program using the class. So I will explain about the layout first. Oh my god, one red. Oh no, never mind. So over here, I use scroll view. Why? The reason of why using scroll view is that so I could scroll the app, not the inspiration part, but this. See, I can scroll up and down. And then after that, and then I use constant layout. Constant layout is like a green flag in Scratch. In some app compared image views for like the image I use, text views is like some text inside. For example, this shows like Assalamualaikum, welcome to BitTaqwa. So in the app there's also a text view. So if you look up, so there's also a horizontal scroll view that I use. The color is blue, and you could answer it. This is the horizontal scroll view. So it scrolls horizontal because scroll view scroll down. So it's impossible, right? If you only use one scroll view. And then yeah, mostly we use some image view and text view, and until down. Oh, there's another one, another horizontal scroll view. It's for the inspiration, and some recycle view. It's for recycling the inspiration that is over here. Down here. So there are many inspirations, and yeah, the coding is closed with another scroll view. So that means it's in one code. So now we are going to go to the class. Wow, wow, this is the class. So we have import over here. Import is like uh, some component that we add in our code, like there's liner layout, R or res. So yes, we have this the class dashboard activity. It will connect it to the combat activity, so it is connected to the this layout. It's for like sign. And then this code is for the variable is tied to the layout class. And then it will create this thing. So override fun, it will create a function, and then it will create this kind of stuff. Down here there is also for registration of the activity dashboard XML, and then it is for the variable view, so it could bring component layout. And then this code is for showing the looks with the data inside the variable view binding. And then here, this code is for calling the function, like the init header for call the header, the navigation minute for making that navigation functioning, and the circle view inspiration is for summoning some inspiration, etc. And this is for, yeah, go to another activity. So the nav menu, the navigation menu, nav means navigation. It's for moving to another activity. Down here, there's also for starting an activity, a new activity with the intent, and then it will bring some address activity that it brings. And before that, there's also this binding IV icon menu doa set on click listener. It's for, yeah, so the component could be clicked, specifically the IV icon menu doa, so it could be clicked. And yeah, this is also for showing some data from the adapter component cycle view, and then the variable. And this one is for making some variable list containing some data from the object inspiration data, and this is for entering the data to a variable list, and this is for making some objects inside the inspiration list adapter. So inside the inspiration list adapter, we're going to make some contents like this, and then this is for controlling their cycle view, so it's fixed, so it's not spamming, and this is for layouting it so it looks what should I call it? It looks tidy, so it's not broken. And then this is for activating the adapter in the recycle. This is for controlling some images or etc. in the header based on the time. Yes. This one is uh, for a variable that will contain data of a time. Yeah, same like this. So it depends on the time, it will change actually. So isn't it cool? So for example, if it's in the day, it will be this image, but if it's like already night, it will change another image. So that's the cool part of this application. Okay, so now because this part is connected with some inspiration, we're going to try to see some inspiration. So we're gonna go to the inspiration layout. There is inspiration row. Oh, item row inspiration. So yeah, we're going to go here. Is it only? Yeah, I think it's only this. So the inspiration is only setting the size. If you can see from this code, it's just for making a component. So it's making a card view based on this one. So it will make a card view, and this is like the coding. So the XML ends is for, it's important because we use XML. And then this is some of the for layouting the card view, like the corner radius is 8 dp, and then layout margin between both of the others or like that, the elevation or the shadows, etc. And then some image view like some picture we use the ID, and then the weight, the size, the scale type, so so it's in the center. There are no like broken white stuff inside. Yeah, so it's like that. Okay, and then we also have the class over here. Where's the class? Oh yeah, it's over here. We have the inspiration list adapter. Yeah, we have three classes for the inspiration. We're gonna start with the inspiration list adapter. So this one is for the class. It will register some component and layout and then make it inside the variable. This is the class. In a class list view holder set Mary. And then there's a variable image photo will be filled with a component named the image view, and then it will be inside the item row inspiration XML. That is over, yeah, the layout here, item row inspiration XML. And then this one is for register some looks, layout, and show the data. So it's only showing data, not the full picture. It's just still data. And then the variable view. So it will make a variable view filled with a layout, and then it will show some data inside the item inspiration. So it will be same layouting, the design, the the design, the scaling, like in the item row inspiration. And it will set the data to component layout, and then it will enter the data based on the position inside the variable inspiration, and then it will show data inside variable in the component image photo. And then the last one, it is for this one is for uh, deciding the total data that we are going to show. So yes, this is for the inspiration list adapter. Over here we have the inspiration data. So this one is for the picture that we pick. We have image inspiration 2, until image inspiration 7. And what's the use of it? It's for showing this picture. Where do I get this? It's from our drawable, resource drawable. So drawable is inside resource, right? So that's why. And then the file list data array list inspiration model. So it will group it, it will make it like one list. And then in inspiration model, yeah, it's just for, it's just this code. It's for showing the variable of the inspiration image. So that's all about the first layout of BitTaqwa app, especially in this dashboard. The next part will be about dua, and also the third part will be zakat, the jadwal salat, schedule of the prayers until lecture videos. So isn't it amazing? The first layout is only like this. It's already cool. What about the other one? You might want to look at it. So I think that's all for today's demonstration. Hopefully all of you are interested on this project. Thank you very much for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.